Hi students, in previous video we discussed restoring division operation. Now we are going to be discussed non-restoring division operation. So here also we have some steps are there. That is, A means this is the accumulator, okay. So B is the divisor, Q is the dividend, okay. So shift left operation perform on A and Q, okay. And if sign of A is 0, okay, if sign of A is 0, we have to perform A minus B operation, okay. Here see this, if A is 1, then we have to store Q0 is 0, okay. If no, that means if A is non-zero, then we have to perform A plus B operation, that means addition operation, okay. So here if we have A is 1, then we have to store Q0 is 0, A is 0, Q0 is 1, okay. So repeat this step until the count becomes 0. If the sign of A is 1, add divisor to A. So see here how we are going to be perform non-restoring division operation with one example. So here also I am taking the same example whatever we taken in restoring division operations. Then it is easy to check the both results are equal or not, okay. So this is the dividend and this is the divisors. Here count is 4, okay. As usual in accumulator, the n plus 1 bits are there, okay. So here also this is a quotient, okay. So here also we have to perform shift left operation. So here also we have to perform shift left operation as usual. In shift left operation, the Q0 bit is empty, okay. So here we have to perform, here we have to check what is, if we have 0 or not. If we have a 0 here, we have to perform A minus B operation, okay. So then we have to check minus 1 operation, sorry. Then we have to check here we have 1 or 0. If we have 1, we have to store here 0, okay. Then after that we have to perform again shift left operation. This is the first cycle, and after that we have to perform shift left operation. So in that shift left operation, so first we have to check, after performing shift left operation, we have to check what is there in 1 or 0. So if you have a 1, we have to perform A plus B operation. So if you have a 0, we have to perform A minus B operation. Here if we have 1, we have to perform A plus B operation, okay. After performing this operation, we have to store here 0. So we have to check here whether we have here 0 or 1. So if we have a 1, we have to store here 0, okay. Again we have to perform shift left operation here, okay. So we have to check each and every time after performing the shift left operation. So after performing shift left operation, so this is the result. So we have to check here 1 is there or 0 is there. So if here we have 1, that's why we have to perform A plus B operation, okay. After that we have to, after performing A plus B operation, then in result we have to check what is the 8th bit, what is the leftmost bit of A, okay. So here we have 0, that's why we have to place here 1, okay. And again, so up to that we have finished 3 cycles. Then here again we have to perform shift left operation, okay. So after performing shift left operation, again we need to check whether here 0 are there, 1 are there. So if you have a 0, then we have to perform a minus b operation. So after performing a minus b operation, so we have to check the final result. We have to check after performing a minus b operation, we have to check whether here 0 are there, 1 are there. So if we have a 0, then we have to place here 1. So this is the final remainder and quotient. When this when this going to be stopped means the count becomes 0. Okay. You also do some examples, then you understand, you are able to understand what is the concept of the division. Okay, in both restoring division operation and non restoring division operation, the result is going to same only. Okay, so this is the non-restoring division operation. Again I am explaining. So here each and every time, in previous restoring division operations only 2 times we have to, only in each and every cycle only 1 time we have to check, but here in each and every cycle we have to check 2 times in the result of A. Okay, based on that we have to perform the next step. Okay, so here as usual the first step is shift left operation only. After performing shift left operation, we have to check in leftmost bit of A what is the bit. If we have a 0, then we have to perform A minus B operation, and or if you have a 1, we have to perform A plus B operation. Okay, after that, after performing A minus B or A plus B operations, again we have to check for restoring the Q0 bit. Okay. So you also take one paper and take paper and pen, and you have to perform some operations. So you have to practice some examples, take some examples and you have to practice. Okay, then you have compulsory you are able to understand what is the concept of restoring division and non-restoring division. Okay, so this is the non-restoring division operation in integer division. Okay, thank you students.